show you how to make a single arch that will be placed over the pool, and they will all be filled with helium. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you guys what are the supplies that I am going to use for this balloon arch. Okay, so for this balloon arch, it will be a red, blue, and yellow theme for a 7th birthday. And of course, I will be using a foil balloon that is already helium-filled. So yeah, in the middle of the arch. Okay, so I am using the 12 inches regular size of red balloons, blue, yellow, and for the base or for the weight of the arch, I am going to use the small balloons, the 5 inches one. And also guys, I am gonna be filling up all my helium-filled balloons with this balloon treatment. Okay, so I am gonna be using this balloon treatment to extend the floating time of all these helium-filled balloons. And then of course, I'm gonna be using my hand pump, dual action pump for the base. And my fishing line. This is going to be all the balloons for the arch will be attached to this fishing line. This one is the thicker one. I think this is the 20-pound size of the monofilament fishing line. Yeah, so first I am just going to make the base or the weight of the arch. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and blow up my balloons for the base. So basically I am just going to mix up the red, yellow, and blue balloons. I am going to go ahead and grab my water weight. By the way guys, I'm going to include a link in the description box below on how I made this water weight. So I am putting 2 water weights, and then I'll grab my curling ribbon and tie it into my water weight. Grab the quad with 4 pumps of air. And then place your water weight under the quad. And then grab your quad with 2 pumps of air. And then tie it with the other set of quad. So this is going to be our base or the weight of the arch. Now I'm going to make the other set of the base. balloon treatment. So when you're putting the balloon treatment, just make sure that to put just a small amount, enough amount to just moisturize or moisten the your balloon. Okay, so now that all my balloons are ready to blow up with helium, I am going to grab my fishing line and then attach it to my helium tank so that it will be easier for me to blow up. While blowing up the balloons, it will be easier for me just to tie the balloons into my fishing line. Okay, so basically what I did is I tied my fishing line into the chair, and then I tied all the way here into the other end. So I basically just made 2 strings, and then here I leave plenty of extra string just in case that I will be needing this as I do my balloon arch. I'm gonna go ahead and blow up all my latex balloons with helium.
Hi. Hi.
Okay, so just blow up your balloon, guys, with around 10 inches. Don't maximize it to 12 inches so your balloons will not pop easily. Okay, so and then I am going to tie this to my fishing line.
I got a fishing.
Okay, so now I have 2 balloons attached into my fishing line. So leave a space of about 12 inches in each balloon that you will be attaching to your fishing line. Okay guys, so now that I have all my latex balloons blown up with helium, so I have 20, all of them, alternating the colors to make it a pattern, to create a pattern. So, but in between of 10 sets of balloons, I put like around 20 inches of space so I can put this in the middle of the arch. I am going to tie 260Q to this foil balloon. Okay guys, so I am going to tie this into the fishing line in the middle of the arch. So this side here has 10 balloons, and then this side also here has 10 balloons. So put this in the middle. So basically I am just using the 260Q that I tied to the foil balloon, and then I am using this to tie it into the fishing line. Okay, so now that we are done attaching all our balloons into the fishing line, what we are going to do now is attach both ends of the fishing line into our weight, and then let's go ahead and put the balloons outside over the pool. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more balloon tutorials. Bye! Thank you for watching!